me, go beast on them. I go beast, go deep, I OD on them. I OD, apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees.
Today we're gonna be installing a track package spoiler on a 2020 Mustang GT 5.0. Let's take a look around, see what we're dealing with. Here we got the spoiler. Here are all the pieces that came with it. Working on taking off this. Let me see, close it real quick so we can see it before and after. You don't have to close, yeah. We're gonna be getting rid of this one. And installing that one. So y'all stay tuned. 5.0 2020. So we removed this right here. Looks like it's gonna be one screw there, 2, 3, 4 screws. So after removing all the 4 screws, you're gonna have to put some pressure on it. You got some adhesive. Yeah, let's close it. Quick run to AutoZone, get some goof gone to get all this off of here. Black on black action. Man, that thing is beautiful, ain't it? This is what sucks, getting this off. I recommend a heat gun, but we don't got one, so. What you want to do, use a little bit so you can go return it, get your $8 back?
Yep.
Yep. Just do it everywhere. I put 3M tape on just anything I could, you know, put grip on. The screws are gonna grip in.
Here's the knife.
Right here. We putting 3M tape around these that go around the corners. We got a corner, middle, another corner. So I know I skipped a whole lot, but we're putting this back. See what? So it's a 4-piece spoiler. You got the sides, you got the middle. Then you got the other side.